Hello guys, this is my KTM Adventure or 790 Adventure R, 790 Adventure R, and the model is 2023. So let's start from the front of my current setup. So I have here two sets of auxiliary light or driving light or fog light. They have uh, two sets. So this one is 20 watts each. I think this one is about 15 watts. So they have individual switches, meaning each pair has individual switches, and you can turn the high or low beam. And the switches are here. This one is for the smaller, I mean the single bulb, and this one is for the four bulbs. Yeah, and this is for the high beam, low beam. And on the front, you probably noticed that I have the dash cam. It actually came in pairs. So I have one for the front, and there's another one here at the back. Yeah, the resolution is 1080p, and it's actually in conjunction with the navigator, so you can view the camera here. Yeah, either simultaneously or one at a time. And this also has a Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Yeah, and what else? And this is for the action cam. This is the tank bag, so I put the some items there that I would need right away. And I also a additional wind diffuser, windbreaker here. Yeah, and this is the switch for this one. So when you want to switch to from between navigation and camera or take photo, you use this one. And here in the rear, I have a saddle bag. It came in pair, so I made it of different color. The capacity is 20 liters, but I think with expansion it can carry up to 30 liters. So it's waterproof. Yeah, and it's quite secured actually. You can see from there. Yeah, it's secure there, here. And again, and also I have this top box. So this is made of plastic, which I like because the aluminum alloy is literally heavier. This one with the bracket weighs only a little over 5 kilogram, whereas the alloy I think maybe 8 kilos in all. So you save about 2 or 3 kilos. Honestly, I'm not too sure, but I know this is lighter, so that's why I like this one. Yeah, it's a 45-liter capacity. And because I got the R version, the seat is narrower. Yeah, so for long ride, your butt can be, a bit achy. So it's not so comfortable. So what I did, I added a additional padding. So this one here actually came from something like this. And I also added here for the pillion rider. So my wife sometimes rides with me. So that it's also comfortable for her. So if it's not comfortable for me, more for the pillion rider, because as you can see, it's narrower, particular towards the end. So this makes the seat wider. This one also increases the area of contact to your bum, to my bum, that is. So yeah, so that's the current setup of my KTM. Other than that, I think I have not added anything else. So yeah, so of course these are removable, right? So this is good. Yeah. So ready for tomorrow. Let me just turn it on for you to appreciate. So the brand of this dash cam slash navigator slash Android Apple CarPlay is Navifly. So it will connect directly to my phone for the Android Sorry for the Apple CarPlay. So currently it's still connecting. Oh, I don't know what's happening. So let me show the camera. Yeah, so that's the rear, and this is the front, obviously. So yeah, and you can control it from here. Yeah, so that's the rear. You can toggle. Okay, so let's go to home screen. So this is what the Apple CarPlay looks like. So that's where I'm located. Yeah, you wouldn't know it anyway. And so you can switch from between camera here by just pressing this one. Yeah. So the default is the rear camera. All right.